Yo, so check this out. This is what a bad axle seal will do to your differential. If you go mudding or any type of off-roading, yesterday I put the Jeep into some water, probably about halfway up the tires, so probably a foot and a half deep, and this was the end result.
Where's that screwdriver? Yeah, not good.
Oh. Oh my god.
Bruh. It doesn't look horrible. Other than the fluid, it looks fucking terrible.
Get the fuck away, you fucking dude.
Look how chunky that shit is. It's supposed to look like oil. I just wanted to add this in here. Make sure when you go to put all this stuff back together, you clean this up. Use some brake clean. Clean up the inside of the carrier. The gears don't look too bad. They actually look really good. There was no metal shavings that came out. So just make sure you clean all that up. Scrape off this face surface. And then go to put your gasket on and fill that up with fluid.